What if I told you your teeth are turning yellow right now and it's not because you don't brush enough? In fact, millions of people are ruining their smiles every single day, without even realizing it. Today, I'm exposing the 7 shocking mistakes that silently stain your teeth, and number 5 will blow your mind. Mistake number 1. Brushing right after meals. Most people think brushing immediately after eating keeps their teeth white. Big mistake. Acid from food softens your enamel, and brushing too soon actually scratches it, making your teeth more yellow over time. Mistake number 2. Drinking coffee or tea the wrong way. Coffee and tea are obvious culprits, but here's the twist. It's not just what you drink, it's how you drink it. Sipping slowly throughout the day stains your teeth much worse than finishing it quickly or using a straw. Mistake number 3. Using whitening toothpaste every single day. Sounds crazy, right? Whitening toothpaste is supposed to help, but using it daily can wear down enamel, making your teeth look darker as dentin shows through. Dentists say, use it wisely, not constantly. Mistake number 4. Breathing through your mouth. This one shocks people, honestly. Breathing through your mouth dries out saliva, the natural cleanser of your teeth. No saliva means no protection. The result? Yellow teeth, bad breath, and, yeah, faster decay. Mistake number 5. Certain healthy foods. You think you're eating healthy, berries, curry, tomato sauce, but, these foods carry powerful pigments that latch onto enamel. They can stain even worse than soda. It's the healthy choice that secretly ruins your white smile. Mistake number 6. Skipping regular dental checkups. Listen, you might brush, floss, and rinse like a pro, but if you avoid professional cleanings, plaque and tartar sneak in. Once tartar forms, no toothbrush on earth will get rid of it. It locks in yellow stains permanently. Mistake number 7. Ignoring hidden habits. Chewing ice, smoking, or even using certain mouthwashes with alcohol. All can secretly stain your teeth. You might not notice it now, but over the years, these habits guarantee a yellow smile. So, are you making any of these mistakes right now? Chances are, at least one. The good news, once you know them, you can stop them and protect your smile for life. Because here's the truth. Teeth whitening kits and fancy products won't save you if you keep repeating these hidden mistakes. If you found this eye-opening, hit that like button, subscribe for more health secrets, and drop a comment telling me which mistake surprised you the most. Don't keep this a secret. Share it with a friend before their smile turns yellow too.